Are you struggling to find the best way of making money online at 2022? In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step how you can make money online just by using this brand new website. Even if you're a total beginner, I'm going to guide you how you can make $15 every hour, even if you have no any experience or certificate to apply for this job at this company. Actually, the name of this company is called Transcribe Me, and it is legit and it works worldwide. Before I'm going furthermore to guide you how to open an account and apply for job at this company, you are supposed to know in advance what should you do with this company and get paid money. You're supposed to hear for voice, audio, conversation of people in audio file or video file and type it accurately in order to get a document. That's only that you are supposed to do in order to get paid money at this company. The following are things you should consider or you should practice in order to get started at Transcribe Me. You should have ability to type fast. You should have ability to type accurately. You should have a good grammar, spelling, and punctuation once you type. All things you should consider before we get started at this company. Some of question you might ask yourself, how much should you get paid as a beginner at this company? According to ZipRecruiter, annual salary for high rate is $50,000. For low rate is around $20,000 a year. This rate is for year. I break it down. As a beginner, you will get paid $15 every hour transcribed audio file. If you transcribe a audio file for length of 1 hour, you'll get paid $15. If you manage to transcribe even 4 hours audio file, you get paid $60 in a given day. So next, how to apply for Transcribe Me. So applicant requirement, you must have 18 years and above, access to computer and internet connection. So here is how to sign up at this company. Here you are supposed to create a new account, first name, last name, email address, password. So by signing up for Transcribe Me, agree on term and condition, just click the box down below and just create a profile. They will send you an email for verification. After email for verification, go and log in. How you log in? You just go here and just click log in. You're supposed to log in as a crowd log in, not as a customer portal. You're supposed to log in as crowd. If you stuck anywhere, just leave a comment down below. I'm going to guide you. So just click log in at this box here that called crowd log in. Boom, done. Already finished and I'm logged in. So this is the final step. You're supposed to do things in a right way and get started, make money online. Just keep concentration here because this is here. So at this point, you're supposed to click here. There is an exam you're supposed to attempt in order to get started. This exam you should consider the following I'm going to show you. This exam is called English entrance exam. So everything here is free. You're supposed to come down here. There is 2 document link here. Download it. This is a PDF file. Pass through them careful before you just to tick this box. Things to consider for USA citizen and resident. There is a special style English entrance exam that you get started. The link is at this website called Transcribe Me. You'll find this is for USA citizen only. If you are non-USA, that is okay. You are still eligible to English entrance exam. So for this information about additional terms and the opportunity, you're supposed to click here. So for USA citizen, you're supposed to go at this special style English entrance exam. At the exam, you have 2 attempts. If you fail for the first attempt, you might have a second attempt that you will like to attempt the exam, the same exam at the same level of acceptance. So at those 2 attempts, if you fail 1 attempt, you have 1 attempt left. There are things I want you to consider before you go to attempt your exam. Make sure the document you are given down below, you read them carefully before going to attempt the exam. If you fail those 2 attempts, you will have 30 days to await in order to get it another 2 attempts. Next thing here, you should be concentrating on your exam. Just cool down and tackle them careful. After doing so, you are enter into make money online just by receiving audio file and video file that will be transcribed and get paid money instantly to your PayPal. So I wish you the best luck to pass your exam. I will see you on the next video.